against the pane. Watch the droplets race, every trail they leave behind looks a little like your face.